How to publish a book on Paystack. Now, after you must have logged into your account, then you are going to scroll down under the commerce section. You can see that on your page. Under the commerce section, you can find products where you have product storefronts, orders, and invoices. What you need to click on is to click on products. And then if you have set up storefronts, just like I have done, then you click on storefront. Let me click on storefront, but you can also click on product. So let me click on storefront. Now, I've been able to set up storefronts, 3 storefronts on my stores, and I want to publish my book on the Zaripa Publishing General Store. Then you click on that. Then because you want to publish a product, and you click on product. Remember that if you have not set up a storefront on your store, and then you just want to publish a product immediately, then you click on product. Now, after clicking on product, then you come to this. Then you click on add product. For adding products, you click on new product. So then this is where you put the title of the book. Then this is where you put the description. This is where you put the description. Now put in the description. Put in the description. Put the description. This one should be capital letter. Now this is where you put the price. You put the price, then you click on next. Click on next. Now you are going to come to this page where you upload the media. That's the cover. The cover. Remember that you can upload 3 images or graphics that represent your book. So this is where you upload the cover. You upload the cover. You look for where you have your cover on your phone or on your computer. Then you click on save and make sure you must ensure that it is saved. You can click again to be sure. Now after you have done that, you can cut it off. Then what I always do is that I come back, or you can just click on product again so that you can see what you have. Then you come to this. Now I want to check out because there are some things you still have to do. Then faith. You search for the book that you have just published. Now faith. I want to serve faith. I've been able to publish a lot of books on faith. Now this is the book. Faith, a powerful moving engine. Then you come here, click on these 3 dots. You edit the product because you want to add the file. Now when you get to this page, you are going to find digital downloads. This is powerful. This is where you upload the file. Now by uploading the file, that it means when anybody buys your book on Paystack, then they will be able to download the book immediately. This is a powerful one. Then you check the progress here. Check the progress here where you are doing files. You can see that it is uploading. You make sure it is uploaded. Make sure it is uploaded. This is very, very important. This is a very powerful feature for Paystack. Whenever anyone pays for your book and the payment goes through, then they can be able to download the digital product immediately, and this is a very powerful one. It was just introduced on the Paystack platform. Before, it used to be after payment you receive an email, then you can be able to send them the digital product, but now you can actually upload the digital product and they will be able to download it immediately. So you allow the book to upload. You can see still uploading. It depends on the size of the file. I allowed it to upload. Then you can see there is after purchase section on this page. This is also a very powerful section on the page. which I'm going to show you what you are going to do at that section. Now this is loading, but I can take you to some other pages. You can see copy link. This is where you copy the link of the book. Now the link that you can give, you can say product link copied, then now the book has uploaded. You can see. Now let me show you this. Now you can set a download link to Inspire. Yes, whenever anybody buys the book, they should download the book immediately, or maybe you can set a download when the download will expire. This is just to protect the book so that it won't be shared by. Now if this can expire, the default is that it can expire. If you click on this, if you set it up, then it can expire after 7 days, but you can still edit it. You can change it to 3 or whatever days. Is that okay? So you can the book link will download with expire after 7 days. Now let me go to after purchase. You click on after purchase. Here you can fill in success message. What message are they going to receive immediately they purchase the book? Then you can see success send notification. Whenever anybody buys your book, you can click on, they can send an email automatically to you receive an email automatically. So now just pick this, then where you have success, I have a success information that I always give. Success information that I always give. You can choose what you want to give. Now thank you for your purchase. You should have. Now what you need to do is to just show that you put a success message. This is what the message the buyer will see. The message the buyer will see immediately they purchase your book. Don't forget to save, and don't forget to save. Then you can see it is saved. You can just copy the download link, and then you can begin to share the download link so that people can buy your book digitally. I hope you have been blessed.